Okay, you build your custom GPT. You probably shared it, people using it, but you're not making a dime. Let's change that. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to lock your GPT behind a paywall using GPT Paywall Pro. No coding, no devs, and you keep 100% of your revenue through Stripe. Let's get it.
The Jetson Life.
So, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to this website. It's called GPT Paywall Pro.cloud. GPT Paywall Pro.cloud. So when you get here, you're going to sign up. Now you're gonna come here and it's $47 a month. These prices might change. It's not that bad for what you're able to do. It's not that I couldn't find anything else like this. You know what I'm saying? So for $47, you're winning. So you would grab this $47 a month subscription and you sign up here. So once you sign up, out here. So once you sign up, go ahead and log. You're going to come to your dashboard. So when you get to your dashboard, you're going to come here. And first of all, you got to figure out what GPT you want to monetize. So let's go to OpenAI before we create the paywall. Let's go to OpenAI and let's go. So what you would do, you go to OpenAI, you go to your GPTs, and I'm sorry, you go to my GPTs, and you pick your GPT. So today we're going to monetize the cinematic story generator. This is a prompt generator just that makes video prompts for the new video generation, VO3, realistic, cinematic, consistent character, all that good stuff. So I want to monetize this. I want to, it's a dope product and I got it out there and I want to monetize it. So first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go to this drop down menu and you're gonna hit edit GPT. So once you hit edit GPT, you're gonna come down here to your instructions. This is where if you built a GPT before, you understand. We're assuming that you already know how to build a custom GPT. If you don't know how to build a custom GPT, we will, there's a link in the description of a video showing you how to do that. But we're not gonna cover how to build one. But what if you already got to this point, then you know what this is. So here is the instructions. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close that real quick. Now I'm gonna copy the name because I'm gonna need that. Oh, before, and I made this mistake before. Before we even get any further, let's go to Stripe. For this to work, to create this GPT paywall, you're gonna need a Stripe account. So if you don't have a Stripe account, go ahead and create one. If you do, go ahead and log in. So once you log into your Stripe account, you're going to log into your Stripe account and then you're going to scroll down to the very bottom on the left corner of the page. You're going to hit that developers tab. You're going to hit that and it's going to take you to a page that says API. You're going to click API key and then you're going to copy your secret key. So you're going to copy that and you're going to copy this key and you're going to put it. So let's say hello. Now we're going to put in our email. Real Jetson. Hold on. Sorry. Uh, uh, Real Jetson Life at gmail.com. Now we're going to hit boom. You're verified. You're all set to use the story generator. So there you have it. So now there's a paywall up on there. So anytime when when a user come in and start a new chat with this GPT, they have to provide that email address, and then GPT is going to verify the email address, and then they're gonna have access to it. So yeah, so that's what it is, man. So there you have it. You built something valuable. Now it's time to earn from it. So head to the link and sign up to GPT Paywall Pro. Your GPT is working 24/7 and it should be earning you 24/7 too.